Hello dear students, very good afternoon everyone. Welcome to English class. I am Mr. Kharade and I am going to teach you the articles. We have started articles. So just off your mic. So welcome Vaishnavi, Gauri, Anup. Hello Anup. Shanta, Ganesh, Varun and Adarsha, Vaishnavi also is here. So everyone just pay attention and we are going to start with today's lecture. The subject is English and the topic is articles. This is the topic. This is important topic and every time, dear students, every time there will be the question based on articles. Because in English grammar this is important, so we are learning. Because in the question, in the paper, in any competitive exam for your also, for 8th, 9th, 10th, 7th also, article is important in English. Because the question will be 100% there. So for that 100% surety, you should learn 100% properly articles, how to use articles. And why it is easy? Because there are 3 articles only. First we learn and we learn how to use and. So I told you the and these are the articles and that can be used before singular noun, before countable noun, and also a article we should use before consonant sound, consonant sounds. An article we should use before vowel sounds. Here I have mentioned not letters, vowels 5 letters, consonants 21 letters. But here I mentioned I written sounds because to use an article, sound is important, not letter. So that's why the example also I have given begins with H, honest, but we should use an honest, and begins with here university, a university. So this is the difference. Begins with vowel sound, but we have used here a. Begins with a consonant sound, but we have used here an, because their pronunciation is different. Because their pronunciation is like vowel sound, like consonant sound. If I read honest, honest is like a vowel, and university is like consonant. So that's why here we have used an and a. So a and we have learnt. I had given you examples also. Many of you dear students solved properly. You used the articles correctly, and many you read also, and you told sir here it will come, here it will come, here it will come. So that is really great. Dear students, in today's lecture we are going to learn article the. Let's start today's lecture. Welcome all of you to English class. I am Kharade sir. So, A and we have completed. Article, the we are going to learn. The is the article. It is the how to use the. Because we have learned A and, but what about the article? Dear students, there are many rules of the article. And you should by heart the rules. All rules are important. And you should by heart all the rules. Otherwise, you cannot use the article. Many rules are there. So, what are the rules? Here, the first rule is before a singular noun. Before a singular noun is used for a whole. For whole. Yes. So here whole group is important. Whole group. Before singular noun is used before whole group or for whole group. I will explain. Let me write all the rules. Then I will explain the rules. Then before the names of rivers, seas, oceans, mountains, sacred books, okay. So this is the second rule. This is also important. What is the rule? Rule is before the names of rivers, seas, oceans, mountains, sacred books and etc. And then here before the magazines and newspapers also. Before the names of newspaper. Then third one, this is third. This is fourth. Before superlative degree also you should use the article. Remember, these rules are important. Before superlative degree. And then here another important is the unique things in the world. So, dear students, here these are the rules of the article. I will explain here. Wait, let me start the mic and then I will explain. Okay. So this is correct. Okay. So now let me explain these things, dear students. 5 rules I have written here. And what are the rules? Here some are there also. Before the names of direction also. Before the names of directions also. So now the article where to use. Like a and an, what are the rules of the article? Dear students, the article can be used before singular and plural also. This rule is important. The article can be used before singular and plural also. A and an article only for singular. A and an article only for singular. Singular means what I told. Boy, boys. Apple, apples. Mobile, mobiles. Pen, pens. Car, cars. Yes, no. These are singular, plural. So before singular, a and an only before singular. But the article can be used before singular, plural also. Both plural and so whenever plural verb is there, no. Whenever plural word is there, that time you should use the article. whenever plural, because we cannot use a and. So if I say these are the students, these are these students, these are a students, wrong. A students, why wrong? Because students are plural. So before plural noun we cannot use a and the article can be used before singular also and plural also. This is first rule, important rule, very important. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6. These are some rules of the article I am going to explain here. Okay, so the first one, before singular noun is used for whole group. If any noun is used for whole group, let's know. If I write here example I will write, the cow gives milk. The cow gives milk. This cow is a singular. Cow is a singular noun, but it is used for whole group. Whole group, not only one cow, not only one, all cows. So the cow gives milk. So before singular noun, if it is used for whole group, that time you should use the article. This is the first rule. Before singular noun, if it is used for whole group, the cow gives milk. Not only one. Whole group, the cow means all cows. Not only one. All cows. Next, before the names of rivers, before the names of seas, oceans, mountains, sacred books, and the newspaper, and the names of directions. Before the names of rivers, you should use the article always. Always you should use the article. Remember, before the names of rivers, only. So wait. Let me check. Shanta is there, Varun, Sangmesh, Gauri Patil, Bhagyeshi, Tanu, and Chetan and Vinod. Okay. So dear students, before the names of rivers, any river take. If river is there, no, before the river, you should use the article. A and not allowed. Before the names of rivers, before the names of seas, before the names of ocean, before the names of mountain, before the names of sacred books. Sacred books means what? Ramayana, Mahabharata, Bible, Quran. Okay, so these are all sacred books. Yes, religious book. So these books, before that you should use the article always. These are the rules for always. Without the article, if you say reverse name, that is incorrect. That will be incorrect. You should use the article before the name of river, before the name of sea, before the name of ocean, mountains, and sacred books. Books means what? Ramayana is the book, Mahabharata is the book, Bible is the book, the Jnaneshwari is also book, Quran is the book. So all before the names of that books, you should use the article. Then before the names of newspapers are there. Bhagyashree, can you tell any newspaper name?
Yes, sir.
Please tell.
Vijayawani, sir.
Vijayawani. So before the names of newspaper, you should use the article. The Vijayawani. The article you should use before the names of newspaper. Then before the names of directions. Gauri Patil, tell me the directions.
east, west.
Hey, at least four tell me, no? Four are important. Tell me four directions.
Sir, North, south, west, east.
West, north, south.
Okay.
East, west, north, south.
Okay. Off
East,
mic.
west, north. East, west, north, south.
Off mic. East, west, north, south. Before the names of directions, you should use the article. You should use the article. So after these rules, what is this and what is this? Before superlative degree means what? And before unique things in India means in the world means what? Dear students, do you know superlative degree? Who will tell superlative degree? What is superlative degree? Gauri, do you know?
No, sir. Sir, what, sir?
What is superlative degree? Superlative degree.
Sir, types.
Preeti, you know?
I don't know, sir.
Let me explain. Don't worry. Dear students, in English class, don't worry. I am here to explain everything. Just pay attention and understand all the things properly. So, before superlative degree also you should use the article. I will explain what is superlative degree afterwards. And before unique things in the world, unique things in the world are actually unique things means what? Only one in the world and from the sky. So, unique things in the world means what? Easy word I have given here. Only one in the world. Only one in the world. Before the name of that thing, you should use the article. And from the sky also. All things, all objects from the sky, you should use the article. In the sky, the clouds, the sky, the moon, the sun, the stars, the Mars, the Jupiter, the planets, the Neptune, the Saturn, all the Earth. Earth is also, yes, no? Earth is also in the sky. The sun, the moon. So all things, all objects from the sky, you should use the article. And also only one in the world. Only one in the world means what? Taj Mahal. Bhagyashree, you know Taj Mahal?
Yes, sir.
So Taj Mahal, tell me beta, Taj Mahal 1 or 2 or 3 in the world?
Only one is there.
Only one.
One is there. One is
Taj
there.
Mahal is only one in the world. So that is called unique things.
Yes, sir.
Only one in the world. So before the name of that thing, that object, you should use the article. So now dear students, write down these all rules.
Yes, sir. Finish, sir.
Hey.
Finish, sir.
Okay. So who will read? Who will read all these rules?
Sir, I, sir.
Right, sir.
Varun.
So right, sir.
Varun, read. Varun. Varun, read.
Yes, sir. First, before singular noun is used for whole group. Second, before the names of rivers, seas, oceans, mountains, scattered books, etc. Third one, before the names of newspaper. Fourth one, before superlative degree. Fifth one, and few things in the word. Sixth one, before the names of directions.
Very good. From girls, Tanu. Tanu, read. Tanu. Tanu, make you read it. Okay, Gauri Patil, read beta. Gauri Patil.
Preeti. First one, before singular noun is used for whole group. Second one, before the names of rivers, seas, oceans, mountains, scattered books, etc. Third one, before the names of newspaper. Fourth one, before superlative degree. Fifth one, unique things in world. Sixth one, before the names of direction.
Very good. Varun, for you and for Gauri, I'm clapping here. Wonderful. All these rules you should by heart also. Don't forget. The article. Before all these things, all these names, you should use the article. Now forget about a and an. But when question will come, no, that time you should use all the rules. Whether it is the A and the three articles are there. Three articles are there. You should use A and or the only one. So you should use all the rules. You should use all the rules. So the will come before this only. And will come before that only. And A will come before that. All rules I have given, no Bhagyashree. I explain all the rules.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now here I am going to tell you what is the meaning of superlative degree. Superlative degree means what I will explain. So shall I rub this? Shall I rub this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Superlative degree, let me explain. Off everyone, off your mic. Superlative degree means what? Superlative degree means adjective. Adjective. Third and superlative form of adjective. So this is the definition of superlative degree. What is superlative degree? Here, superlative degree means first adjective. Remember adjective only. Very easy adjective. Then superlative degree means third and superlative form of adjective. So who will tell the parts of speech? Who will tell the parts of speech? 8 parts of speech. Who will tell?
Noun. It's noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb, verb, conjunction, interjection, adverb,
Okay.
preposition, interjections,
Of.
preposition, interjection, conjunction.
Remember every time. Whenever I ask a question, that time only one student will give answer. Only one. Enough. So I ask you parts of speech. Parts of speech. Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. So adjective you know. Adjective means what? Adjective, the definition of adjective. Adjective describes a noun. Adjective describes a noun, and remember every time adjective will come before noun. For example, clever boy. Clever boy. So boy is a noun. Boy is the noun. Clever is the adjective. Adjective. Okay. So like this, I will explain here examples. Wait. Here. Smart phone. Then big tree. Third one. Cold coffee. Hot water. Beautiful girl. Beautiful girl. So these are all 5 examples I have written. Phone is a noun. Smart is an adjective. Tree is a noun. Big is adjective. Coffee is a noun. Cold is adjective. Water is a noun. Hot is adjective. Girl is a noun. Beautiful is adjective. So adjective means smart, big, which describe the noun. Understood? Adjective understood? So now we will learn what is superlative degree. Superlative degree means what? Third or superlative form of adjective. So Priti, Bhageshri, Gauri, Sumit, Varun. Here all adjectives have three forms. For example, smart, big, cold, hot, beautiful. These are the adjectives. So that each adjective has 3 forms. I will write forms of adjectives. Each adjective has 3 forms. First one is called positive. Second one is called comparative. Next one is called superlative. So positive, comparative and superlative, these are 3 forms. So I want to ask Preeti, which adjective can I take here? Here I have written no.
Yes, sir.
Wait, smart, big, hot, cold and beautiful. Which adjective should I take?
Big, sir.
Okay, big. I will take big. Off mic. So if I take big, if in positive, first we have to write big. Big is the first form and that is called positive degree. Positive degree, big. Comparative means a bigger and superlative means a biggest. If I take colder, coldest, hot, hottest, sorry, hotter, hottest. Smart, smarter, smartest. Smartest. Beautiful, more beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful, beautiful. So, superlative degree means what? This biggest, coldest, hottest, smartest, most beautiful. Before superlative degree, you have to use the article. So, adjectives, each adjective has three forms, and degree means third or superlative form of adjective. Superlative degree means what? This only. Before we have to use the article, before superlative degree. And each adjective, big, this is called positive degree. This is called superlative degree. This is called comparative degree, and this is called superlative degree. This is called first form of adjective, second form of adjective, third form of adjective, and the article we have to use superlative degree means here. Before this only you have to use the article.
Jay.
Understood? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So write down. Write down this.
Written, sir.
Finish, sir.
Written, sir. Written, sir.